Hello, friend. Welcome back. In our previous part, we have completed our admin credentials. Now, at this moment, we can try the similar technique, and it will be our instructor credential page. Looks like similar, but have some changes. I will show. So first, we go back our admin dashboard, and this is our admin template, and this admin template is looks like and are almost similar, but in remember that in our admin credential, this is the forgot password and sign up here. This two links are not present here. Look at that. But in a structure login purpose, we will keep in these two items. Okay. Better, first of all, we just control U. Here I will show that. Now wait, this is a control U, and just copy of this and paste our uh, VS codes. Okay. Here we in the admin purpose, we have the following route, but this is the similar in the instructor purpose. I just copy. This is it will be our instructor login phase. Sorry. It will be our instructor login to make our new controller instructor controller. Now we need to create some folder as in we are doing previously in the admin purpose. Here look at that dashboard and login. Similarly, we will go to our backend and create a folder in a structure. In a structure folder name is already okay, fine, not in a structure, it in a structure folder already created. Just login, and another folder will be dashboard. Okay. Now we have created a login into index.blade.php into the login folder index.blade.php, into our first parent folder will be instructor, and now dashboard folder, and now login folder into the index.blade.php. It's the very easiest way to make it easily. Is must needed to all specific file into the specific folder. So fine. So index.blade.php, better we just copy of our template, admin dashboard template, and here admin dashboard template is copy, just format our document. Okay, fine. And we need some modification of this file, so better uh, include backend dot section, backing dot section dot link. Okay, and not will be rocker, it will be lms, uh, lms instructor credentials. Okay, fine. Now we have some more words. It will be our needed to be helper function, as it will be back it. Perfect. This is our logo area. Author admin instructor credentials. Um this is our admin login index page. We are doing some similar as admin. So all of this necessary class and route will be putted here, and keep at the rate csrf. Very good. And also need to make copy some two divs. Okay, one is email and other is password. So better need to copy. Yeah. Okay. Remember me, forgot password, sign in, don't have account, sign up here already, and forgot password. We will keep on the forgot password. Fine. And up here, sign in. That's very fine. No need for extra script. I just remove it, and I just include backend dot section dot script. Okay, very good. The page is almost ready. We just need to check, but here admin controller, not admin controller. It will be our instructor controller. Instructor controller. We make it instructor controller. Instructor controller and instructor controller, not admin dot login. I will keep instructor controller instructor dot login. Okay, very good. Instructor dot login. Perfect. So instructor controller and instructor controller, we will just public making this function public function login return view back in instructor login dot index. So just jump to our browser and let's see it will be showing or not. This is our browser and it will be our admin login, but we will check instructor login. Yeah, it will be very good, perfectly work. Now, when user given your credential, it redirect to instructor dashboard, but we not make any instructor dashboard route or pages yet. Okay, let's go. We make the necessary route and already and include into the necessary files. Okay. Okay, go to the web.php and I just copy is almost everything. That's nice. Auth verify role equal to admin, not role equal to admin. It will be structure. You will understand. In previous we will discuss about this role. Structure and name. A name it will be admin dot dashboard, not name will be name prefix will be structure. Here is the name prefix and here is our route prefix. Okay, friend. Fine. Not admin controller. It will be the structure controller. And also keep logout functionality. Really, instructor. Okay, instructor controller dashboard name login. Almost is perfect. But we need to make some necessary file. Structure. Okay, structure in previously we make a master for admin, but we need to another master of structure. So better master dot blade dot php. Very good. We need to another file into the dashboard, index dot blade dot php. Fine. and another two file is needed. One is header and sidebar, because admin sidebar will be different and instructor sidebar will be different. So better sidebar dot blade dot php, sidebar.blade.php, and also make header.play.php. Initially, just copy and paste, but look at the header into the header file. And previously, just copy and paste into our header file. Not admin logout. You will keep instructor logout. Fine. Here was admin sidebar, and initially I will keep the same sidebar. Actually, I will keep the same sidebar, and not it will be admin. It will be instructor. Okay, better. Sidebar. Now the master also will be the same. Master also, don't worry, I you get the link, git repo link in description and video description. Admin dashboard, instructor dashboard. Or if you have some query or question, just comments below, or I will also provide the full demo repo into our devexplorers.xyz. Just visit and you will get the above idea what kind of project you have to build. That will be the robust and much more impressive learning management system have you ever seen in YouTube. Okay. Backend section link will be the same, but our sidebar will be backend.section, not a section. It will be backend.instructor, backend.instructor.header, and backend.instructor sidebar instructor header. Say footer will be the same, and script will be the same, not have issue. And now admin dashboard. Yes, this is our index. This was admin index file, and now need to copy and put into instructor dashboard index. Not it will be back in admin.master, and just structure master. Okay, lots of file will make, just now. I just move to cross, and we need our web.php instructor controller. So better to I will close all of the files. You will easily understand. I just copy admin controller actually, and nothing else. That is very easy and the similar way, not different code or not needed for different logic. And this is our two controller, and just paste it. Okay. Now we get some initialize class error. So better, we need to redirect response and facade actually. So better we will copy and just paste it, and redirect response or the card, backend admin dashboard, not admin dashboard. It will keep instructor dashboard index, request redirect response session web logout, and after logout it will be redirect back to instructor login page. Okay. Most probably it will be work. And now go to our browser. This is our browser. So better just reload our pages. Okay, page is reloaded. Look at this our database. Database will be our database LMS. Okay, LMS. Just wait. LMS YouTube. Just wait. Yeah. Go to our user. Our email was instructor at the rate example.com, and password will be most probably password. So check that. Instructor at the rate example.com, and password keep password, and just sign in. Yes. Yes, our functionality will be done as same as admin credential. Now check for logout is work or not. I hope it will be worked. Yes. You can easily understand how to set your project multiple auth role based authentication system, including the breeze by default breeze route making. So now better, in the next section we will be discuss about our about make our profile page, and admin and instructor will be automatically update their information like name, email, address, password, or something, also as well as avatar. So okay, let's see the next section.